Hi, I'm Robert Fulgham with Hometown Wine Club, and welcome today. We've got another box to unopen. This is the August shipment from Direct Cellars, our wine club. And we've switched up for this month, and we are we've ordered the reds. So this is going to be all reds. We do not know what's in here yet. So we'll go ahead and get these started opening. Every month for now, we are using the 4 bottles, 2 of the same, 2 reds or 2 whites. And that way we'll get more reds or more whites in each shipment. We are going to be looking for someone who's in the Dallas-Fort Worth area that also likes wine, and we'd like to pair up with them because we'd like to go for the 6 to a case and then split it all out so we can all share. We'll have something like 3 different reds and 3 different whites that we can enjoy. We're going to have in each box, we have a shipping so that we know what's in the box is actually there. Put that down. And Direct Cellars is our wine club. We get an insert here telling us a little more about it. These wines, this one is Spartan Hills Merlot. It is from California. I don't see anything else on here, just Spartan Hills Merlot. So it is best between now and the end of 2022. So we've got some time on that one. House served, best between 62 and 65 degrees. And smells like jammy blackberry. So this is going to be interesting. It is quite heavy on the full and fruity. The bold and beautiful, it's a lot more on the bold and a lot less on the beautiful part, but still that's where it's going to be heaviest. Refreshingly light, sweet and smooth are not what you're going to call this one. DC pair is going to be roast chicken with thyme and onions. We'll get some more information on that one. And then the other one is going to be from Provenza Vineyards. Sangiovese Romana. I'm sorry, this is from Italy, and I'm recalling Italian from college. This particular is going to be great with spaghetti and meatballs. And I think for Tim, since he prefers vegan, we're going to have to come up with a substitute there. Sweet and smooth, it's not really considered sweet and smooth. It's not really considered refreshingly light. It's more on the full and fruity, and then probably more on the full than the fruity side, and then bold and beautiful is going to be another one of the descriptions. Provenza is a vineyard that we've gotten white wines from in the past, and those were excellent. We know about that area. That's a wonderful area for wine from Italy. It's kind of down in the hill part of the boot, and has great wines. So let's see. Okay, this one we're going to have Provenza on top, and this is the bottle for that one. This is the one from Italy. And let's see, dig down here a little bit. They packed this one a little differently. And then this is the Merlot from Spain. I mean, not from Spain, from California. Now, if you like bottles, the labels, and so forth, the presentation, I think those two look really good together. We've had some that have come in and they've been extremely different. Our previous month was the white wines, and you could tell the difference in the labels there. I like the way these were paired up, not just because of the what's in the bottle, but also what's on the outside, the display here. Now we're going to get with Chef Heather on these. We'll find out what she would like to pair with them. The next that we're going to be doing is a tasting of the wines. So we'll have 1 bottle for the tasting with Chef Heather, and then the next bottle we'll be serving with the meals. So be looking forward to the meals that Chef Heather comes up with for us, and also be watching for when we sit down to eat. We've got some really great things coming up, and we'd love to be able to share that with you and have you join in the fun. For now, see y'all later.